Right guys, so today what I've got here is a new old stock multi-lock interactive filing cabinet lock. So, just open this up for you. I modified the packaging a little bit, not the lock, but the packaging. There's the foam with the 2 keys and the filing cabinet lock, which is a pretty interesting one because it's a 4-pin lock. That's why it's so special. Anyway, another thing is, this is so old that it still says patent pending. That was a long time ago when Mul-t-lock just released their interactive platform. Both keys work, and these are really special because you can take them, put them in the other way, and it still fits. It still goes in and turns. There's the key. There's the lock. Very precise lock. Just gonna make sure it works just fine. The key, if you put the wrong key in, or if you don't put it in properly, it won't turn. Just to show you that. Anyway, let's just tighten this down a little bit, and we're gonna go ahead and begin picking. So, sorry if I'm covering this all up, but it's already a pretty awkward position having to. Okay. Let me just reset the lock. Okay, I did pick it once off camera, but anyway. Okay. Oops. Just, I don't know, maybe a one-time luck thing. I opened it pretty quickly. Get now that first pin is binding. Kind of. It's strange. There we go. Got it set. Really is only 4 pins, really. Just 4 outer pins, and then you got your inner pins to deal with later, but there we go. Larger falset there. A little bit of a falset, which means that we've got to deal with the inner pins. You got 4 of them again. Okay. Oh, there we go. Got that set. See if we can get a really big falset. Okay, see if we can just set the inner pin up there. Nope. I'm gonna see if we can just. Oh, that's set. Just heard that click into place. Number 4 is not moving at all. Number 2 just felt like it got set. I'm gonna get that one go. There we go. Got a binding pin right there. Nope. That's not moving for me. I'm gonna try the first pin. Nope. That's already set. Oh, there you go. They got number 3 set. Or, I think that was number 4. Hopefully I can get this done in under 10 minutes. But it could take an hour. I hope it's not going to take an hour. Anyway, we're just going to keep going. Got that set. Everything feels set. Okay, we're going to try short hook. Normally we don't do that with dimple locks, but oh got something set back in there. That might be helpful. I'm gonna see if I can just find it. But oh, I don't know what that was. I think I either got something set or just some weird thing. Reset something. There we go, set. There we go. I'm gonna get something set in number 2. Nope. 3. No. Nothing's to be set. Seems to be binding. Oh, there we go. Got a really big false set after I touched number 4. Now to make sure my pick doesn't get stuck and you get a short hook, I'm gonna pick this lock. Normally about 1 or 2 pins. There we go. 1 or 2 pins left, and that's an open interactive. So 6 minutes 8 seconds. Not too bad. That's open. So just to show you that. There you go. So it is open. Again, 4 pins. I wish I could take this apart for you guys, but if I did that, I would actually destroy the lock. It has a punch pin there. There is a hole for it on the other side. I could be able to punch it out, but I'm not going to do that because it's an old lock. I don't really want to take it apart. I've never done it before because I'm scared of what's going to happen, and I don't really have something I can use to, use as a follower. But anyway, there you are. That's your Mul-t-lock. Show you guys the key again. The bidding for it. It's not too challenging. Got your. I'm gonna lock that back up. Very tight tolerance lock. Stick the key in and it still works. So, didn't break the lock. Taken already a lot of your time already. So anyway, thank you for watching my video, and that's it for now. Have fun picking, but don't be breaking the law, because that's a stupid thing to do. Anyway, subscribe, comment, and rate this video, please. And if you're gonna add a negative comment to the video, shame on you. Anyway, thank you. Bye.